Hey Leo,
Hey, Ricky.
it seems that you've got into trouble. What happened?
Yes, I just got the feedback from potential exhibitors via pre-event survey. It seems that many of them may not be able to attend the event in person. Some of them do not want to travel due to COVID. Some of them cannot travel as their budget is limited.
I see. Have you thought about making it a hybrid event so that you can combine the live exhibitors with the online exhibitors?
Hybrid event? How?
Well, it's a big topic. Let me break it down for you.
First of all, you will need to prepare an exhibitor manual and host a pre-event briefing to provide detailed information to the exhibitors.
Good morning everyone, welcome to the pre-event briefing and thank you for joining our exhibition. And this briefing is also synchronized on Zoom for those who cannot come in person. Today's briefing will provide detailed information of the event as well as some rules and regulations that you may need to pay attention to. The last part of today will be a Q&A session for any inquiries. And this is the exhibitor manual and we will go through it one by one, but concentrate more on the installation and dismantle schedule, venue guidelines, the precautionary measures for COVID situation and the contingency plan. During the event, we will have concurrent sections in different function rooms and also on our virtual platforms, so you can feel free to register for a time slot for your own company after the briefings. Okay, that's all. Any questions and concerns?
May I confirm what facility will be provided in the booth?
It depends on the type of booth you have registered. We have self-scheme and space only. You can also refer to the section of booth design and construction in the exhibitor manual.
Okay, understood.
Any queries? If no, this is the end for today. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Other than communicating to the exhibitors in advance, you may also need to talk to different parties on the day of the event when something comes up at the venue. For example,
Hello, this is Leah from ABC Company. How may I assist you? Yes.
Hi, I would like to register the entry tickets for the HBC online event on 12th of June. Can I register with the promo code?
Sorry sir, weekends of the blackout days for discount. Would you consider joining us on weekdays, the 10th of June?
Okay.
Hi, Mr. William. I'm Leanne, the event manager of this exhibition. It's our honor to have you share inspirational ideas on your brand new products. I believe it will be the hottest product in the market.
Sure, it will be.
Please follow me to the green room.
Okay.
Mr. Could you please fade in the audio when the keynote speaker joins in and fade out at this slide?
Slide? Okay. No problem. But what about the visuals?
Please keep it to the end. And please also mark the numbers of attendees as we have to know the number of no-shows and calculate the attrition rate for the post-event report.
Okay. No problem. Copy that.
Thank you.
after the event, you may want to send a follow-up email to the exhibitors to find out if their expectations have been met and if they have any suggestions regarding the organization of the event.
Wow, I see. You did give a whole picture for me. Thank you. Thanks for the details.
I'm glad that you learned something.
I did learn something. And you?